ears popped too. Usually I can. It's like,
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
it don't work. Is there a number I gotta put in here too, or what? My phone is about to die.
It is hot.
Such humid.
We are hungry. And I gotta pee. Drinking all this water.
I feel like I spilled something on me.
Say that.
Hey. Puerto Rico, look. Make sure I drop my phone now. I can't open nothing today. Girl, I'm doing it.
All right, y'all, so we made it to our Airbnb. I'm gonna show y'all around. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know.
Dominique. Yes. Alright, y'all, so we are about to go ziplining. It's our first time. We are excited. I think more excited than afraid. I think we're past
Yeah.
What's the name? You named it, right?
Pedro.
Hey, what up, Pedro?
Vaya.
Manuel. Today we're gonna do 5 zipline, 5 canopy bridges. The name of this property is Hacienda Campo Rico, more than 2,200 acres. Eco Quest, we do the zipline. We have another company that do horseback riding, ATVs, but we have a lot of other stuff. In that house, they do weddings, graduation parties, films. I don't know if you saw Fantasy Island.
Yeah.
They filmed the first season.
It's alright. I mean, sit down, you know. It's beautiful.
Yeah, we just finished the first zip line. It was so fun.
So much.
It was fast. I thought it was gonna be a little bit longer, but it went by quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have more.
It's more wobbly, right?
Feels secure. Unless you start running. Oh, this is wobbly. I got to.
Whew. Yeah, this is my first time hiking, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
The last bridge, right? How many said 5? Did we not do 5 bridges already? No?
How many canopies was that? That was a canopy, right?
The bridge?
I don't know.
That was 5.
That one was more wobbly.
It was very scary.
One, it was, I think it was,
Are you ready?
I am. Are you?
I'm gonna watch how you do it. You said cannonball.
Oh yeah. This is definitely a workout. Apparently we're going to like the highest point and we'll be able to see everything, so it's a steep incline.
It's real pretty.
I wonder how many miles all this is. It's probably a mile altogether.
1 mile?
Yeah.
Hell no. I walk like a mile.
You think it's
every
more
day in the
or
morning.
less?
Probably more.
Oh.
There's a moment where you're like, I'm not
Yeah, like in the middle. That's what about slowing down.
More about their greenery here.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of play? I ain't no player, I just had a lot of play. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Then you wanna shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you ride at the top, babe. She wants your name, yo.
What?
I said my nipples feel great.
You sexy, babe.
That's you. That's you.
headed, damn, don't get us wet. We're headed back to the hotel, to the Airbnb, I mean. It's a little after 12. Places here close at 5. We've been trying to enjoy the moment, so we're not recording too much of what we're doing, but we're giving y'all some of what we're doing. There's a lot of restaurants surrounding us, but we're gonna find some authentic Puerto Rican food tomorrow.
Yeah, because the food we've been getting,
It's just blah. It's like
ain't it?
It's like simple stuff that we can find where we live, like sushi, stuff like that. So we want to find some Puerto Rican food tomorrow maybe, and then let y'all know how that is. But other than that, we are enjoying ourselves. Yes.
Woo!
So
We are.
love
It's a
it.
good time.
Yeah,
Can't wait to see what's next.
man. But
Sorry, y'all.
how long before we get
I'm
to
out of
where we
it.
going? Cause I
We're
got
3 minutes away.
Okay, 3 minutes away. I'm gonna let y'all go. And y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog.
Bye.
Bye.